So now done. Save. Now press enter. Done. So next second one I have to create the process tree. Sir, but while posting entries in the F5, we need to use the C100 only, right? No format process. P100, we are giving P100 only, na, at the time of posting. But in controlling only we will use it. Yeah, we are going to do the assessment. Yeah, okay, note down to these two cost centers we will create. Next, step number 4. Number 4. Right. Step number 4 is assign what?
Cost center.
Create secondary cost element. Secondary cost. The key code is KA06. Okay, no doubt. Secondary cost.
Sir, I had a doubt, sir. Yeah, sir, actually, this week I'm held up with some overtime schedule because of my office. So, can I cope up if I can practice during the weekend?
Yeah, do it. See, there is no other option, no other alternative. You have to do it. Correct.
So, because I was held up with some overtime schedule, so that's why.
Yeah. So try to do it. It
Sure.
should be okay.
In the weekend, sir.
Yeah, but the thing is, tomorrow also you have the session.
No,
Yeah?
tomorrow and day after it's a week off, sir. No problem. I can manage to practice, sir.
Okay. But what I am saying is, tomorrow also you have the class. Tomorrow and day after also you have the class. This
I'll be
week, from
attending.
this week onwards, you will have the classes during weekends also.
Sir,
Yes.
in real time, basic Excel is enough or we require advanced Excel to work on?
No, basic Excel is enough. You should be
Okay.
able to use the data that is in SAP, in Excel to SAP like that. Yeah, that is it.
Okay, advanced version is not required. No.
No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now, go to KA06. So KA01 you know, na? KA01 is what?
Cost center creation. Cost center.
KA01 is primary cost.
Sir.
Primary cost, right? So you can only create, so to create the primary cost element, it is KA01. So you cannot, only if it is a GL account is there, then only you can create, right? Suppose here, if I give 1000, suppose if I give here, enter, it will say what you see?
Create the GL account first.
Create the 1000 GL account first, it is saying like this. Correct. So because 1000 number GL account is not there, no? Understand? So primary cost element will be only created when the GL account is already there with the same number. Otherwise I cannot. That is KA01. Correct? Understand? That is KA01. But what about KA06 is now? KA06 is for the secondary cost, no? Secondary cost. KA0 means KA0. Now KA06 is for primary or secondary?
Secondary.
Secondary. You see now I am giving the same 1000 here, yeah? You see, same 1000. Enter. Is it accepting or not?
Yes, sir.
So what does this mean? Secondary cost element will accept any number. It need not be a GL account. Is it clear? Any number, right? So for primary it is a GLI. Perfect. Yeah, like that. So now what is this name? This is my assessment cost element, right? This is my assessment cost element.
So some previous thing.
Yeah. What you do, you go to KA06, KA06. Here you will give the cost element 1000.
Any number we can use, right?
Any number you can.
Can we use GL account also? Which already exists in it.
The GL account, you don't create it as secondary cost. Na? GL account is a primary cost. Right. The GL account is there. If you are posting to it, means you are posting in CO or FI.
Still in CO. GL is in FI.
GL account.
GL is in FI.
Yeah, FI. So then, how can it be a secondary cost?
So only numbers of the ticket, sir?
Yeah, only number. The account is in number only, no? Correct? Yeah. Okay. Right. So, for primary, it should be a GL account. For secondary, it may not be a GL, right? It should not be a GL, right? Normal. Just number, any number. Okay, I am giving that. Okay, now. This is the secondary assessment cost element. Why I am creating this cost element? For assessment purpose. That's it. So here, cost element category I am giving it as 42 assessment category. So all these are categories for secondary cost. All these are for secondary cost. No. So why I am creating a duplicate cost? One for internal settlement, one for project analysis, one for overhead, one for internal expenditure. Different reasons why I am creating the assessment cost. Correct? I am creating a secondary cost element. Yeah? No. So I am creating this duplicate, that is a secondary cost. For what purposes? Assessment purpose. No.
Sir, one repeat again for 1000 I have lately. I have earned lately due to some network issue. Can you repeat it again, sir?
Sure.
You have shown that first of all difference between that primary and secondary. Show it again.
See here, if you are in KA01 is to create the primary cost, na? KA01, yeah. When you are in KA01, if you give 1000 and you are trying to create a cost element, you will see what it says. It says first create the GL account. Correct. So you cannot create a primary cost without creating the GL account. That is the logic. Yeah, why? Because primary cost will come from FI GL account. Without GL account, how I can get the cost? That's why. First GL account, then only primary. That is KA0. Now secondary means what is the T code? KA06. Here you can create the secondary cost element. Now secondary cost element nothing to do with FI now. Then why I need to have a GL account, right? So any number I can, same 1000 if I give here, you see it will act. Secondary cost element is for CO purposes, right? Nothing, no connection with FI. Okay, no.
Can you show that notepad, sir?
Category is assessment. Okay, note down this one.
Also notepad.
Done. Okay, now save this. Then the cost element has been created. Okay, no doubt. So cost element also I created. What is the name of the cost element? 1000. Secondary cost. Correct? Yeah.
You got 10 seconds to take this call.
Hey!
9,